for your edification, I'm going to have some of these in the back to edify you on the outcome. I won't go into that. But I'd like to do a little more uplifting poem, or at least. My boss is grumpy, my apartment's dumpy. The street outside my building is bumpy. My mattress is lumpy. My girlfriend's frumpy. I'm busted and broke as Humpty Dumpty. The economy's inflated. My clothes are outdated. My bathroom stinks where my dog defecated. At work I'm frustrated. I don't feel appreciated here, Kyle. So my career stagnated. But when I get in my car, you know how it feels driving around with other automobiles when I'm driving around town in my aspirin on wheels. My aspirin, my aspirin, my aspirin on wheels. When I'm driving around town in my aspirin on wheels. My landlord's crabby, my neighbors are gabby, all my rented furniture shabby. My life is drabby, my scalp is scabby. I eat too much, my belly's flabby. The air's too smoggy, my cereal gets soggy. I can't get no sleep with that all-night barking doggy. My girlfriend's dippy. When she's mad, she gets lippy. Her feet are longer than the Mississippi. But when I get in my car and turn the radio on, suddenly all my troubles are gone. I push hard on the gas and the rubber squeals when I'm driving around town in my aspirin on wheels. My aspirin, my aspirin, my aspirin on wheels. When I'm driving around town in my aspirin on wheels. My whole life's dramatic. My love life's sporadic. I feel bad all the time and my psychosomatic. I got gum on my shoe. I'm coming down with the flu. My last check bounced and my rent's past due. But when I'm feeling crowded like I need some space, when I feel like I'm running last in the rat race, I don't start bugging or taking pills. I just pop an aspirin on wheels. I cruise 38th where everyone chills, or Madison Avenue looking for thrills. In both neighborhoods, I'm the king of the hills, driving around in my aspirin on wheels. My aspirin, my aspirin, my aspirin on wheels. When I'm driving around town in my aspirin on wheels. Hey, check it out. My paint job's chameleon. I got fur on the ceiling. I got a pearl line dashboard that looks like a million. I got low profile tires with golden rim wires. My car looks so hot it starts forest fire. I got 8 batteries to run my hydraulic pumps, a tank aluminum blocks and 4 square dumps. I got box solenoids and steel hard lines, high-low water faucet valves, front and rear interior designs. My A-frame is extended and the leaf springs removed for greater air and height than hopping that smooth. My sound system killing. My music is trilling. I take the women for a ride, you know, when they're willing. I got woofers, mid-rangers held down with big clamps and crossovers and tweeter 2,000 watt amps. I got a 350 V8 with electronic distributor, chrome custom headers and gas line inhibitor. I got high temperature coated spark plug wires. 350 transmission telescopic driveline is required. My 63 Impalas were $20,000. When I ride down the street, everybody hollers to holler with me. Hey! 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 I tell you what, I feel so alive when I'm driving around town on 465. I feel like $100,000 bills when I'm riding around town in my aspirin on wheels. My aspirin, my aspirin, my aspirin on wheels. When I'm riding around town in my aspirin on wheels. Thank you.